Trust me, these mistakes can seriously slow you down. Stick around, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to avoid them and level up your progress. What's up guys, it's Nicola here, and today we are diving into the top 5 mistakes beginners make on the accordion, and more importantly how you can avoid them so your learning journey is way more fun and more effective. Let's start with your hands. One of the most common mistakes is improper hand positioning. You might think it's okay to grip the keyboard tightly or let your finger flies all over the place, but this only slows you down in the long run. Instead, keep your fingers relaxed and let your hand flow naturally over the keys. So first mistake is holding the keyboard tightly, even with the thumb below the keyboard, because when you open and close the bellow, the accordion moves around. So don't do that, block it with your right leg instead. A second would be like holding the hand like this or like this for piano accordion, so that would not be good. And the third one, most common, is just lifting up your shoulder, and which brings a lot of tension, of course. So what's the correct position? That's this one. And how you get that one, just let your hand fall down, and from this position don't lift up your shoulder, but you do from the elbow, you do this. Okay? So again, not elbow too much in front, not too much inside. So just in the level of the accordion, shoulders down, and if you feel relaxed, that's it. Spend 5 minutes a day practicing scales with the proper form. It's a small habit that pays off big time. Focusing only on the right hand is tempting, but your bass buttons are half the instrument. Don't let them intimidate you. Start with the simple patterns like alternating bass notes and chords to build a muscle memory. So for example, one of the most common, of course, alternating bass with a C and the dominant. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more accordion tips. Also let me know in the comments what's your biggest challenge with learning the accordion. I'll gladly reply personally and help you out. Let's move on to mistake number 3, skipping a consistent practice routine. Random practice leads to random results. Instead, create a simple routine that fits your lifestyle. Even if you have a 15 minutes a day, consistency beats cramming every time. It's exciting to play your favorite tunes, but speed comes after accuracy. Slow down and focus on hitting each note cleanly. The speed will come naturally. Use as well a metronome to keep your tempo steady. Trust me, it's a game changer. Learning alone can be overwhelming. Without a clear path, it's easy to get stuck or get frustrated. That's why structured lessons and courses are lifesavers. They give you a step-by-step guidance you need to succeed. Don't forget, you can book a free trial lesson to get started right away. For more tips and value, check out Accordion Joy. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next video.